This is Jolly Roger's what Aeroplane ride. I'm redoing this again because the other video wasn't that really that good. So let's go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 pounds. Here we go. On the way is going over track mode. Let's go for Toy Store flight.
Hold on tight. Here we go.
Yeah. That's why I had to film a run for today. This underground journey, being in the camper van. That's what I had to film today. If you're wondering. Underground's going off again. Yeah, my Jolly Roger in about, I was like 2016. I had a license. Yeah. Gonna make it original toys to go on this ride. For the EZEE swap. It's doing really turns good. The VOTB code is 47KB.
Thanks for riding. Please come back and have another ride soon.
Now it's the EZEE swap Aeroplane Kiddie ride by Jolly Roger. Started at the American Shopping Centre in Romford.